Good morning all. Today we will see how to do tomato dosa. It's very simple and quick. I have taken 2 tomatoes and we will grind those. And now I will add a spoon of jeera and I'll add 1 spoon of chili powder. And I'm adding ginger, and now we will make it grind and we will make it paste. The batter, I have taken half a cup of semolina suji, and now I'm adding half a cup of wheat flour and 1/4 cup of rice flour, and we are adding the tomato paste. Now I'm adding a half a spoon of salt and chopped onion and coriander. Now we will mix all together without adding water. Now we will add water step by step to make batter. Now pan is hot, we will add oil. Make the batter with a thin consistency. And we will bake on the low medium flame. After that we will put little oil on top of it. Now I have flipped it and I'm baking on the other side. You can see I have served to the plate. It's looking yummy. You also try in your home. Please like, comment, subscribe.